It is his right to be updated kasi siya yung primary person of interest dito, ma'am, sa annulment na case. Tapos hindi niyo siya in-update? Do you think that is valid and right?
You are already judging me po.
We are not judging you. We are just laying down the facts here. And this is based on the Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability.
Yes, I do understand po. But like what I've said, hindi po kami nagkulang sa pagbibigay ng update.
Anong update yung binibigay nyo? Kasi dapat, the update that you should have provided, Sir Anthony here, must be related to his case regarding sa petition for annulment. And yet, he did not receive any formal notice that there was a petition filed.
Kasi po, you already judging me.
We are not judging you, MJ. We are only mentioning the lapses. This is not judging you. We are just laying down yung what is stated in the law na dapat sundin. That's the rules, ma'am. Good afternoon po sa inyo, Sir Anthony.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon. Are you married?
Yeah.
To a Filipina?
Yeah, that's right.
So, how long have you been married, sir?
Well, we married in December 2023.
So, you wanted to file a...
Well, I did file annulment already in June 2024.
For here in the Court of the Philippines?
Well, I appointed MJ to do my annulment, you know. So, that's the only thing.
The case is already in court?
Well, I don't have any idea what's going on because officially nothing is coming up to me. Still, right. I don't know who is the lawyer for me working, you know.
So,
only what she's doing is just giving me update, this happened, that happened, giving me quotation, this much money. So almost like, you know, it's 1.5 million I have sent to her.
All right. So MJ, sir, is the one you appointed to process.
Yeah.
Is she a lawyer?
No, she's just
Where did
like
you
a
meet,
friend.
sir?
She was the one who was helping me in the marriage. So that's when I met her in the Philippines.
What's her background, sir? Is she working here in the...
Yeah, she's working here. She is...
What's her background, sir? Is she a lawyer, an accountant, or...
some accountant. According to a Facebook post, which I have checked, she's some accountant.
So she was also the one who processed your marriage?
Well, yeah, she helped me in the marriage process, everything. So, like, we became like friends from that day. Well, but she's not a lawyer. She gonna help me to find a lawyer, and because she said she has a good lawyer. That's what she said. So
but
far,
then, you haven't met the lawyer yet?
No, nothing. Not a single conversation.
And it's almost a year, and then
exactly.
No update. But yet you...
Update in the sense, just she tells me, like, you know, this has happened, you know, this hearing, this hearing, that hearing.
Okay. So know, she also asked her for money from you?
Yeah.
She asked
all the process, everything, you know.
Okay.
I have all the...
Evidence,
okay. Everything.
Actually, sir, she could also be held liable for estafa, swindling.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I feel like, you know.
We would like to also try to reach out to MJ so that we can hear her side. But if she will not answer, sir, what we can advise her is our team from Wanted sa radio program of Senator Idol Rafi Tulfo will help you, sir, so that we can file a case of swindling estafa against MJ Rible.
Yeah,
since she already... asked, I think, more than $1 million from you.
Exactly,
and then it's almost a year, and then she did not even give any update regarding the...
Update in the sense, just, you know, nothing official update.
Yes.
Even when I asked her for a court notice or something, she's the SPA, she's saying always it's with the lawyer or something, you know. I said, so much money I'm sending, but no update with the bills or receipt or nothing. I said, how come?
It might be really a scam, sir.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think the best option here, sir, that we would advise is we would proceed with the court proceeding so that we can file a case of estafa against her.
Thank you.
And then you just gather all the evidence, sir.
Yeah,
Save it.
Yes.
And you can file that case against her. Good afternoon po sa inyo, Ma'am MJ. So, ano po ba yung nangyari dito?
Let me clarify lang po that I've heard actually a while ago what Mr. De Cruz discussed all about. But he is trying to say is about the no update since last June of 2024. That's not true because I'm giving him update and we are coordinating not just only in Facebook Messenger but also in his WhatsApp number. And yes po, there are times that I cannot give update to him every now and then because I have work and also I have other personal matters to consider. But in terms of giving update, I am not just giving update only by my personal.
When nag-reach out sa inyo, binibigyan niyo siya ng impression that you are capable of handling this case ng magpa-annulment. And yet, sinasabi niyo busy kayo. In the first place, ma'am, lawyer ba kayo?
No. I didn't say po that I am a lawyer.
So ngayon,
Yes.
ma'am, so meaning
Wait.
parang middleman ka lang. Nga,
Yes, sir,
okay.
because
So no middleman
during
ka, naipakilala mo na ba si Sir Anthony sa lawyer na sinasabi niyo nga mag-handle ng case niya? Have you met the lawyer?
No.
Hindi niyo pa pinakilala. 1 year na, ma'am, hindi niyo pa napakilala yung lawyer na mag-handle ng kaso niya?
Since ngayon lang din po siya umuwi ng Pilipinas, wala din po akong idea na uuwi po siya dito sa Pilipinas. Kung gaho, ang sabi ko po sa kanya the last time we spoke, if ever that he wants to personally meet everyone po, we could do that naman po. It's just that po, meron po tayong time difference po. And again, I am not pertaining that I am a lawyer, ma'am. And
Pero ganito, ma'am MJ, in the first place, ma'am, nung nag-usap kayo, ma'am, nga may annulment cases, meaning alam mo naman kailangan dito talaga lawyer. Kahit, ma'am, 1 year na nakaraan, ma'am, pero hindi mo lang nakilala yung pangalan ng lawyer na mag-handle or kahit man lang info, ma'am, anong background ng lawyer. Wala, ma'am, eh. Do you even know the name of the lawyer? The face, no?
No, only now she told me some attorney Diaz.
Just now?
Just, yeah, last at the end when I asked her, like, and that's why I asked for the email address. No email, she's saying. Just one number she gave, I don't know.
When was that, sir?
For the attorney.
akin dito,
I don't know, attorney Diaz could be.
I mean, when did she mention about
This was the last conversation last month.
last month only?
Yeah, before she took another 10K.
Agay ito, ma'am, may na-file na ba talagang petition for annulment sa
meron
court?
po, yes po, yes po.
But where?
Meron
Oh,
po.
ma'am,
That's why I
hindi
said
nyo ba
in the
alam, ma'am,
case it's
kailangan nyo
ongoing.
under sa Canon 4
I
ng
don't-
CIPRA, and I guess, ma'am, your lawyer also knows this, na you have a duty to update the client. Otherwise, pag maghihingis lang information, kailangan, ma'am, i-update nyo. There are many case law, nga daming lawyer na didisbar. Yung tipo, tumatanggap sila ng fees for annulment, tapos sasabihan nila na na-file na, tapos pala walang action, hindi na-update yung client. Ma'am, nadidisbar yan sila. So sa ginagawa niyo yan, ma'am, madadali pa kung sino man yung lawyer na nag-handle nito. Bakit hindi niyo in-update mismo si Sir Anthony?
Nothing official.
Again
Wala nga
po,
sa may na-receive na official letter eh.
Nothing.
Imagine 1 year na, ma'am, wala man lang may na-receive na official notice kung may petition for annulment na sa court nga na-file or anything. Kaya nga lumapit na yan dito sa program sa Wanted sa radyo kasi hindi niyo siya binibigyan update. It is his right to be updated kasi siya yung primary person of interest dito, ma'am, sa annulment na case. Tapos hindi niyo siya in-update? Do you think that is valid and right?
You already judging me po.
We are
Dahil
not
po
judging
yan.
you. We are just laying down the facts here. And this is based on the Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability.
Yes, I do understand po. But like what I've said, hindi po kami nagkulang sa pagbibigay ng update. Hindi naman po ako tauhan
Anong update
under
yung
ng-
binibigay nyo? Kasi dapat, the update that you should have provided, Sir Anthony here, must be related to his case regarding sa petition for annulment. And yet, he did not receive any formal notice that there was a petition filed. It is an SOP. When you file a petition in court, the plaintiff here must be copy furnished, and yet he did not receive anything. So what can you say about that, ma'am? Why? Bakit hindi siya na-copy furnish? If indeed, there was already a petition filed in court?
I think it's better to discuss it in a proper forum. Kasi po you already judging me.
We
the
are
way
not judging you, as
the
we
way
have mentioned. We are
but
not
you
judging you,
already, ma'am, the way
MJ. We are only
that much that
mentioning
you're-
the lapses. Why? Because it is already standard protocol. It's under the law, kailangan nakaka-copy furnish to, ma'am, yung plaintiff, and yet you did not. This is not judging you. We are just laying down yung what is stated in the law, nga dapat sundin. That's the rules, ma'am. If you want, sir, since you have already all the evidence gathered, the team, as we have mentioned earlier,
All right.
we can assist you, sir, if to file a case
Sure.
against MJ.
That will be great.
Pero
yeah.
ma'am, if ever she will return your money,
Yeah, and she can finish the case. I mean, the annulment.
uh-huh,
I'm happy. But if she cannot do this thing,
will you give her, sir, a time frame to finish your ano?
well, she can do it. Ask her if she can do it.
Or do you want, sir, you will just claim for the recovery of the money you paid? So then just later, sir, you can just hire a true lawyer for your annulment case.
Well, she cannot do it. Or what it is.
Ma'am MJ, are you willing ba na ibalik tong lahat ng pera na binayad sa inyo ni Sir Anthony Joseph? Well, she's no longer answering. Attorney Hazel Rojas, ma'am, good afternoon po. Sinasabi ni MJ daw nga nag-file ng petition na sa court. However, wala may na-receive na formal notice. So, dyan pa lang, ma'am, medyo sketchy na. Kasi when we file a petition in court...
And has he signed a petition? Has the complainant signed a
Have you
petition
signed
for the
any
annulment?
paper? Wala nga, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, walang may umabot sa kanya, ma'am, na paper or anything. So, medyo red flag to, ma'am. It might be nga pinipirahan lang siya, di ba?
Is that what I mean?
So, with this, ma'am, pwede po ba, ma'am, nga matulungan to si Sir Joseph? Sasamahan siya, ma'am, ng Wanted sa radyo, ma'am, papunta sa tanggapan nyo, sa office nyo, para ma'am ma-file to ma'am yung case ng estafa or swindling, ma'am, laban man to kay MJ?
Yes, so we can file a case of estafa. Just bring the necessary documents, all the screenshots, all the communication he had with subject, with the accused, and then we can file the necessary case na lang po.
Alright. Ang thank you for that, ma'am, Attorney Hazel Rojas, so that we can also help, ma'am, ang Sir Anthony here since he already spent, ma'am, more than $1 million and may mga resibo din siya. And yet, ma'am, no progress sa case niya. Sir, I think that's the best option, sir. We just continue now with the case so that you can also recover, sir, the amount that you, through when you file a case, sir, kasi of estafa, and then the court would later on found that indeed MJ is guilty of that, you can also recover. Ma'am, Attorney Hazel, thank you so much for that, ma'am, ha?
Yes, you're welcome. Thank you.
Assist natin si Sir Anthony dito po sa tanggapan ng NBI.